Like I said, Truck Drivers Appreciation Week. Thank a trucker if you see him. Everything you get at the store, everything you get from Amazon, comes by truck. Thank a trucker. Now, let's get to the regular video. What would you do when you see what's parked next to me? Hello, everyone. This is Ralph from Ralph's Trucking. September 10th, 2023. This is the start of Trucker Appreciation Week. What do I see next to me? Hey, I can barely open my door. Let me show you what's parked next to me. Of course, he's parked illegally, like a lot of truckers do. But what would you do if you woke up and saw this close to your truck in the morning or afternoon? Yeah. Best in class. Who could it be? It's Swift. Oh me. I can't even open my door the whole way without hitting his trailer. Yeah, that's how close he is to me. Here's the line. Yeah. Alright, let's do a quick recap. Airline's not touching. Really shouldn't do this, but I'm quick about it. You try not to walk behind somebody. As you can see, right on the line, as pretty as you can be. Nice and straight. My shiny rim. As you can see, that's the last parking spot. He's parked as legally as he can be. Yeah. But like I said, this is Trucker Appreciation Week. Truck drivers, thank you for everything you do. You move America one load at a time. Now, I've been driving a lot of nights here lately. A lot of nights. Like I said, I parked here at 2:30 this morning, 3:30 this morning, my time. I'm in Central Time Zone right now. But I've been seeing a lot of trucks up and down the road right now with one headlight blown out. The other day I counted 15. 15 trucks with no headlights. I've counted 2 trucks with no trailer lights whatsoever. No turn signals, no lights, no nothing. And I yell at them, hey, you know you get it. Oh yeah, I got an issue. It's okay. No, it's not. Why you ain't give DOT a reason to say, let's pull you over and give you a ticket, give you a once over, put you out of service? Drivers, do better. It's not that hard to walk around. And if you got a problem, go to a shop. Don't be trucking down the road 80 miles an hour with no lights whatsoever on the trailer. I have saw two the last 2 days, 2 nights. One was a van driver, and the other one was a cattle hauler, livestock hauler. Yeah, no lights whatsoever on the trailer. And what's up with all the blown headlights lately? I got pulled over one time. I was in Oregon. Started my drive at like 3:30 Oregon time. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, I'm in a small town. I was picking up a load of paper off of, forget what, out there in Oregon. Cop pulls over and pulls me over. I wasn't speeding. He said, "You got a headlight out." I said, "No, I don't. It was working when I started my shift." Well, sure enough, I got out and looked at it, had my passenger headlight out. And I'm like, dude, if I knew it was blown, I wouldn't be riding in the daylight with my headlights on. For one. Two, I would have stopped and pulled it over. Before he got back from writing me that inspection, which gave me CSA points, that headlight was already switched. Now these new trucks, there are LED, so you can't change those too easy. It took 4 months for my fog light to get changed out. But yeah, do a walk around, drivers. If you got a headlight out, get it fixed. Jeez, most trucks will tell you got a headlight out. A lot of trucks nowadays won't do it. Y'all have a great one. Trucker Appreciation Week. Thank a trucker for what they do. Talk to y'all later. Bye. So what would you all do if you wake up and see that next to you? Would you go, "Oh shit"? Or you'd be like, "Okay, no problem." Now, I've been driving a lot of night shift here lately. Get on days and boom, back on nights, because loads can't get loaded on time or whatever. Some sitting at plants for waiting on load. So I've been driving a lot of nights. Last couple weeks, probably 3/4 of my night driving is at night. Well, we're having a little issue with the drivers driving down the road with one headlight. Just the other day, I counted 15 trucks in like a 4-hour period with only one headlight working. And 2 trucks, but not one trailer light working. 2 trucks. One was on I-40 going west. The other one was on 55, what I'm on now. What the hell, wait.